Hello, I'm going to show how to change the jump height of the character. This is the third person template, and I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.24.3. Under Content, Third Person BP, Blueprints, double click third person character. Highlight the character movement and search for jump. Jump Z velocity. This sets the jump height. It's 600 as default. I'll show you what that looks like. The character can jump up here, but it can't jump up here. Double click third person character. Highlight character movement. Search on jump. Change this from 600 to 700. Compile and save. Now I can make that jump. Double click third person character. Highlight character movement. Search for jump. I changed jump Z velocity back to 600. This blueprint will toggle the jump Z velocity between 700 and 600 every time you press the Z key. This is character movement that I dragged out from here. And it will print the value on the screen. I'll press play, and I'll press the Z key, so it says 700 on the screen, so I can jump up there. Now I'll press the Z key again, sets it back to 600. Now I can't jump that as high, so it's working. Double click third person character. Highlight character movement, search for gravity, change gravity scale from the default of 1.0 to 1.5, compile, and save that. Now I'm going to press the Z key, so it says 700. So normally I'd be able to jump this, but because gravity is 1.5 now I can't jump that.